Hello friends, welcome back to my Desi Think channel. So here today we're gonna make aloo faliya, which is the potatoes. Aloo is potatoes and the faliya is the green beans. It's very common sabzi, you know, in India. We do eat a lot. I mean, this is my go-to sabzi actually, which is very easy to make it and stuff. So here we have actually, let's go with the ingredient first, and then we'll go. I'll show you the preparation, like how we're gonna mix it all together, how many minutes we're gonna keep it. I'll just show you everything together. So let's go with the ingredients first. We have potato. It's 4 potatoes that I have used. Is the big one. So 4 potatoes, and then I have used the green beans, which is faliya. It's about 600 grams, I would say. And the next we have the canola oil. You can use any type of oil. It's a 3 tablespoon oil. You can use the vegetable oil. This is canola oil. You can use vegetable or ghee or anything, even the olive oil. If you would like to make the sabzi in it, you can do that. Next we have haldi, the turmeric powder. I have used about 3 teaspoons. And then next we have the cumin powder, Jeera for about 3 teaspoons. And then next we have the Garam Masala. It's about 1 teaspoon. Next we got the main ingredient, the salt. It's about 3 teaspoons. And then next we have the red chili, which is about 2 teaspoons. And you can also actually use the green chilies if you would like. Actually, I do not want too much spicy on this sabzi. Just to be sure, because my dad is home, so of course I want to make sure he's healthy, not having too much chili in it. So that's why. But if you would like to have addition on it, you can add the green chilies on top of it, about like 3 or 4. And that would be enough to have that spicy flavor in it. And let's go. We're gonna go ahead and put everything together in the pan. I'll show you the steps step by step, and let's move forward. So guys, here we're gonna turn on the heat, the gas to high heat, and we're gonna add the canola oil. As I mentioned, you can use any oil you would like. So we're gonna let it heat up, the oil, and then we're gonna add the cumin, the jeera. Here we go. And we're gonna make sure that it's completely heated up, the jeera. Once it's done, we're gonna add all the ingredients together. Yeah, and we're gonna set it up on heat, the high heat. Just make sure. This sabzi is actually gonna take around like 15 to 20 minutes. It'll be ready within that time frame. Basically, you just have to make sure the potatoes are well done. Actually, you'll see the softness of the potato, like all steamed up. So as you can see, the jeera. As you can see, it's steaming a little bit up. So we're just gonna mix it together again. So it's still not done yet. So we're gonna leave it as we're checking the potato. So it's still hard. So we're gonna cover it up again for more minutes. Okay, let's check again. Okay, so we're gonna check it now. So see if it's done or not. Let's mix it again. Let's check the potato. So it's a little bit harder. It's soft, but still a little harder. Let's check the salt. Okay, it's good, but we still need to add a little bit more salt to it. Okay, so we're gonna add 1 teaspoon. And just half, so 1.5 teaspoons. And we're gonna mix it very well. And we're gonna keep it again, and we're gonna just cover it up for a little bit more minutes, just to make sure we have the big potatoes. And we're gonna add actually a little bit of cilantro just to show it off. And I mean, it looks good. It looks more greenish, and just to have like a flavor of it. just a little bit, and we're gonna mix it again. So we added the cilantro and just a little bit more salt, and mixing it together. And we're gonna cover it up now again for like a couple of more minutes. Let's check it again. So it looks like it is done. So we're gonna take it out. We're gonna shut the gas and let's take it out into the bowl. Alright, so as you can see, it's all ready, and it just took like 15-20 minutes just to make it. So you can have a really good sabzi every day or whenever you would like. Thanks for watching.